We've been having a few problems with the stair lift at Hayward Heath Methodist Church. There's nothing wrong with the lift, but when we use it incorrectly, it gets upset. So the purpose of this little video is to make sure we always use it correctly. Before we start, a very important point of health and safety. If you are disabled, alone in the building, do not use the stair lift. Make sure that other people are around to assist you in case there are problems with the lift. If you're alone, do not use the stair lift. This is the lift as you'll find it and when you arrive in the building. 2 brief points to cover first. You will see a key inserted in the arm of the left hand arm support. It will be turned to the stop position. Return it to the go position. Under no circumstances do you need to remove the key. It stays where it is all the time. The other thing is that the end of the lift is kept in a vertical position like this so that people don't trip over it. So the second thing to do is simply to drop the lift down so that the passage goes right to the bottom. Now the rest of the show is on video, so hopefully it will be clear. Here you see the operator. She's put the length of track down. She is now setting up the lift, arms down, seat down, footrest down, and she's now operating the toggle switch on of the arms. You pull it back to go down, hold it for 5 seconds and the machine will start to move, as you can see here. The machine will then go right to the bottom of the track, ready to receive a person. Hold the toggle switch until it comes to a stop, then let it go. Once at the bottom, the seat is ready to receive a person. First thing, pull the seat belt right out as far as it'll go, because it tends to get stuck if you do it when you're on the machine, and put it round yourself as the operator has. You now take the toggle switch, push it upwards, in other words towards you. After 5 seconds, the machine will take you up to the top of the staircase. Carry on holding the toggle switch until the machine reaches the end of the staircase. It will stop of its own accord, but keep holding the toggle switch. When it gets to the top, as it has now, let the toggle switch go, undo the seat belt. If you're the last person using the machine, lift up the arms, lift up the seat, turn the switch off to the stop position, and you've now got the staircase ready for use by others. So your meeting's finished. You reverse the procedure. Down with the arms, turn the machine on the key, so it's the on position, go position. Footrest down, seat down. Once again, the same problem with the seat belt. Pull it right out. Put it round yourself once you've got on the machine. And once the seat belt is inserted, you can simply press the toggle in the downward position and away you go. As you say, 5 seconds wait for the machine to start as previously. Continue to hold the toggle switch and you will carry on to the end of the ramp. Don't let go, because the machine will come to a stop of its own free will and accord when it gets to the end, which it's done. You can now let go of the toggle switch, undo the seat belt, lift up the arms, lift up the seat, lift up the footrest, and you now need to send the machine back to the charging position. Push the toggle switch for the up position. After 5 seconds, it will go, as it is here. But you're now listening for a small beep. There. Once you hear the beep, let go of the toggle switch. The machine is now in the charging position. You now can lift up the ramp. My finger's pointing. That now makes the machine safe for anybody to walk up the stairs without hindering anybody. And that is how you run this machine. If you follow the instructions throughout this video, you should have no problem operating the lift. However, on some occasions, when the lift has been left in the wrong position, it can't charge, etc., it gets upset. And when it gets upset, it makes the most annoying noise, continuous high-pitched noise. If you need, in a meeting, you need to stop this, then go and see if there's somebody in the office. They will be able to help. But if not, you need to access the connector to stop the noise. At the back of the machine, you will see a white disc. Try and remove this. You literally need a knife or a screwdriver and to extract the disc. Once extracted, it is a bit of a pain, but once extracted, you will see that there is a connector onto the plate. Simply remove the connector like so. It's low voltage. There is absolutely no risk of any form of electrical problem, so carry out like that. Then you will find the noise has stopped. All you need to do is to leave the cap on top of the machine like so, with the connector exposed. You should then leave a note for the office that the lift has deactivated and somebody will come and mend it. Hopefully, now that you've been through all these instructions, you'll be able to operate the chair lift properly and you will have no problems. Thank you for watching.